My name is Raj Chako. I am a data center solutions consultant here at Cisco, and today I would like to give you a very quick overview of Splunk software, what it does, and why should we care about it and how to monetize using Splunk and Cisco hardware. All of us have heard about big data and machine data, but how does it relate to IT? To simplify it a bit, I will say that big data typically deals with the destination and managing data once it arrives and to drive business intelligence out of this data. Machine data could be thought of as one of the sources that produces an enormous amount of data. For example, from a plane or a jet engine loaded with sensors that monitors everything from traveler behavior to performance of the pilot and the plane. This is a great example on a grand scale, and there are so many solutions out there, including MapR, Cloudera, Hortonworks, etc., to drive business intelligence out of this data. But what does that have to do with the IT department again? Well, although IT departments might not fly planes, but they do generate no less amount of data from the systems that they manage. Every server and every application running on these servers generates a ton of log files on a daily basis. For example, a busy web server could generate thousands of lines of log files per minute, which keeps track of everything from page results to referral URLs to incorrect page requests. As an IT sysadmin in my previous role, one of my daily jobs was to go through the log files in the morning to look for errors, anomalies, and unusual patterns and identify either performance issues or to help troubleshoot and rectify a failure. Every piece of equipment that IT manages, including servers, networks, switches, routers, phones, PCs, laptops, BYOD devices, all of them and every application that runs on them generate these log files, which makes it close to impossible for a human to sift through and make sense. This is where Splunk comes into play. Splunk is able to ingest this unstructured data by a variety of means and indexes it and provides the IT department a single place to do Google-like searches on it. Splunk also attempts to look for anomalies and patterns from the data it receives and is able to identify and highlight these back to the sysadmin or the IT department. One of the use cases this allows for is as a tool for threat detection and management. Splunk now can be a replacement for your customer's traditional SIM solution or security incident and event management systems. Splunk does this by providing two key functions in a single box: data ingestion and management layer and the presentation layer. The architecture of the product is such that a customer can start with just one server and add additional nodes to expand capacity without having to worry about the underlying file system or the data management layer. This is where Cisco comes to play. We have partnered with Splunk to sell their software with Cisco UCS as validated solutions. Please visit the Dunk with Splunk website to learn more about the bundles and other offers that we make available for our customers. Remember, Splunk is big data for the IT department. Ask your customer what they use today for log file management and SIM or security incident and event management, and would they like to have a solution that brings these two together to simplify their life?